A recent discovery by Chinese researchers has raised alarming concerns about the potential for future viral outbreaks, as they have identified a bat virus capable of infecting human cells through the same pathway as COVID-19. This finding reinforces long-standing fears about the unpredictable nature of zoonotic diseases, which can jump from animals to humans and spread with devastating consequences. Given the profound global impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the emergence of another virus with a similar ability to infiltrate human cells is a troubling reminder that new health crises may be closer than expected. The virus in question has been found to use the ACE2 receptor, the same entry point that SARS-CoV-2 exploited to invade human cells and cause widespread infection. This is a major red flag because it suggests that the virus already possesses a critical mechanism for infecting humans, reducing the number of evolutionary steps needed to become a serious threat. When viruses must undergo significant mutations before they can infect people, there is more time to detect and contain them. However, when a virus already has the ability to bind to human receptors, the window for prevention becomes much smaller. This raises concerns about whether the world is prepared to respond swiftly enough to prevent another pandemic-scale outbreak. Another worrying aspect of this discovery is that it highlights the ongoing risks posed by wildlife reservoirs of disease. Bats, in particular, have been identified as hosts for numerous coronaviruses, including those that caused previous outbreaks such as SARS and MERS. The ability of these viruses to circulate undetected in animal populations for long periods makes them especially dangerous, as they can evolve in ways that enhance their ability to infect humans. Surveillance efforts in bat populations remain insufficient, and without stronger global initiatives to monitor and contain emerging pathogens, there is a real risk that another deadly virus could spill over before effective countermeasures are in place. The potential for history to repeat itself is a stark reality, as the world has seen how rapidly a novel virus can disrupt societies, overwhelm healthcare systems, and claim millions of lives. Despite the lessons learned from COVID-19, there is still a concerning lack of preparedness in many countries. Vaccine development remains reactive rather than proactive, and public health infrastructure in many regions is still underfunded and vulnerable. The emergence of another virus with pandemic potential should serve as an urgent wake-up call to strengthen early detection systems, improve global cooperation, and prioritize research into broad-spectrum antiviral treatments that can address multiple types of coronaviruses before they pose a direct threat to human populations. Perhaps the most unsettling aspect of this situation is that these risks are not new, nor are they unexpected. Scientists have long warned that novel viruses lurking in animal populations could trigger the next global health crisis, yet efforts to prevent these threats remain inconsistent. The discovery of this bat virus should not be taken lightly, as it underscores the fact that nature continues to produce potential pandemic agents, and the world cannot afford to be caught unprepared again. Without immediate action to enhance disease surveillance, improve public health infrastructure, and invest in preventative strategies, the possibility of another devastating outbreak remains a serious and imminent danger.